Welcome to the Lean Six Sigma world, your ultimate destination for mastering Lean Six Sigma. Struggling to find where your process breaks down? Discover how value stream mapping can unlock efficiency and eliminate waste. In today's video, we explore the real benefits of value stream mapping, VSM, and how it can transform the way you improve processes. Whether you're in manufacturing, healthcare, logistics, or service industries, VSM gives you the clarity to act fast and drive change. But before we dive in, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hit that notification bell so that you never miss our power-packed videos. Let's get started. So what are the benefits of VSM? 1. Visualizes the entire process flow. VSM provides a complete picture of how materials and information move. It helps teams identify all steps from start to finish, making it easier to spot delays or inefficiencies. 2. Identifies waste and non-value-added activities. One of the biggest benefits of VSM is the ability to pinpoint waste. It exposes waiting times, overproduction, rework, and other non-value-added tasks that slow down operations. 3. Improves communication across teams. By creating a shared view of the process, VSM helps break down silos. Everyone, from floor workers to leadership, can understand the current state and contribute to improvement. 4. Highlights bottlenecks and constraints. VSM makes it easier to see where processes get stuck. It helps prioritize areas that need immediate attention. This leads to faster resolution and better workflow. 5. Supports data-driven decisions. Every part of a VSM includes measurable data like cycle time, lead time, and wait time. This allows teams to make decisions based on facts, not assumptions. 6. Guides future state planning. Once the current state is mapped, VSM helps design the ideal future state. This creates a clear roadmap for improvement and continuous development. 7. Encourages team collaboration and ownership. VSM workshops involve cross-functional teams. This builds a culture of collaboration, engagement, and shared accountability for results. In conclusion, value stream mapping is more than a tool. It is a mindset that drives visibility, alignment, and improvement. By understanding its benefits, you can create smarter systems that deliver better value to customers. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the Lean Six Sigma world for more actionable insights. Like this video, share it with your team, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more Lean Six Sigma learning right here. Thanks for your valuable time, and I will see you in the next powerful video.